Today we're in Anna, Texas, just north of Dallas, in Cedar Meadow RV Park. This is a brand new park, like literally under construction still. This new park is loaded with amenities like laundry room, clubhouse, dog park, fenced-in RV sites, basic internet, and coming soon a community pool and outdoor grilling area. The office is open Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2, and closed on Sundays. Here is the view currently as you enter the park. That blue building there has the office in the front and the clubhouse in the rear. The dumpster is located here on the main drag, so that way you can dump your trash as you leave. And there's John reminding you to like this video and subscribe now for all future content. As you can see, there's plenty of extra parking for toys or vehicles. They currently have 40 full hookup sites, with more than half of them already fenced. While we were there, they were actually fencing our site. Each fenced site comes with a shed, as well as a large gate to be able to back your RV in, and then a smaller access gate once your RV's already been parked, so you don't have to swing that large gate every day. They also have sprinkler systems installed in every site to keep that sod growing healthy. The park is nestled in a super cute country setting, so it's very quiet at night and the sky is gorgeous. Like I said previously, there are 40 current sites. It sounded like they have plans to expand in the future. There are 3 restroom facilities on the property, which can also be found in the office building. Each bathhouse comes with a vanity, a stool, a full-length mirror, hooks for towels or clothing, a toilet, and a roll-in shower. We have a great little covered porch off the back of the office building where the clubhouse is. I'm assuming this is where they're going to put the outdoor grilling area. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find a nice little seating area with a TV, as well as a game area with tables. There's a little kitchenette and a popcorn machine as well. They have a great little mail station with each cubby marked for a site number. We were in site 55. You don't have to worry about quarters in this RV park because their 4 washers and 4 dryers are all debit card or credit card operated. I think every RV park should have this. You know you've reached adulthood when you care about brand new appliances. Make sure to drop a comment below. Would you stay here? Do you like the fenced RV sites? What are your thoughts? Stay tuned, we're not done showing you what all this park has to offer. There's a really nice large dog area and small dog area, and they provide waste bags as well as seating for you. If you haven't found us on Instagram yet, check us out at Longhaul Lifesavers. If you plan on being a long-term tenant, check this out. Each site has a shed, massive storage. We were only here for 3 days, and we wish we could have stayed longer. You can see here our 40-foot fifth wheel has plenty of room, and our dually fits outside the fence with no problem. We highly recommend this park, and we'll be staying here every time we head through Dallas. Happy trails, everyone. Thanks for watching.